Hello everyone, I am with you again. I am Vyacheslav Ismailov, or VEA.
Yes. Hello everyone, guys. I am Seryoja, your host for this episode, and today we are going to set up a challenge for VIA. VIA is constantly showing off, claiming he is a survivalist, a techie, and that he knows his stuff about everything and can do whatever he wants. Today we are going to test exactly that.
What?
Yes, today we are going to test it. Look, behind me is this field. It is 1 square kilometer, and parts of a car, or maybe not a car, maybe not even of a single car, are scattered across it.
What? And what exactly am I supposed to do?
The essence of the challenge is that you must drive away from here in a car. Well, or if you can even call it that.
Oh, so somewhere over there is an engine, a gearbox, and an axle, and I have to put it all together, right?
I do not know. That is the whole point of the challenge. And what kind of challenge is it without money? You have 90 minutes. If you make it and build the car and drive away in it, 100,000 rubles.
That's awesome, yeah.
If you do not make it, you owe me 100,000 rubles.
Oh yeah, you set this all up. It is a stage performance. No.
Oh, I see. He is backing out. If this is not staged, then VIA backs out immediately. Yes, guys, you know that he only films stage performances, do you not?
No. What? No, I am an engineer. I will manage just fine, whatever.
Ready?
I am ready.
Come on.
That is it. Come on, time is ticking. Start your timer.
Actually, VIA has a little bit of help. I prepared some gear for him to make it easier to find the car parts, but apparently he is doing fine without it. But he also has a hint from me. If he asks for it, I will give it to him.
The most important thing is that to go anywhere by night, you need an engine and wheels. In principle, if I find an engine and wheels and maybe a gearbox as a last resort, though ideally, of course, then I can already go anywhere. But the problem is that the grass is crazy high, it is waist deep on me, and you could hide anything you want in this square kilometer. Damn, where do I even look? Knowing those guys, they probably... Oh, I see something red over there. I thought it was a sign, but it is just some kind of flower. Time is ticking, and I still have not found a single part. Oh, come on.
Tick tock, time is ticking. VIA.
Are you here to mock me? Why do I need a metal detector?
There you go, you ran off and did not finish listening to me. And this is a tool that can help you.
It is a total setup. I will not have enough time to dig up a car and get it out in an hour and a half.
No, the car is not buried.
Yeah.
Yes, some of its parts are buried. This could also come in handy for you.
You are annoying me. What is with these jokes? If those car parts and components were loaded into the field, there is no point in walking through undisturbed grass. You should look for the spots where the grass has been flattened, right? So let's head back and be more careful. Let's take a closer look.
He finally started thinking.
It is a huge field, and there is not a damn thing here. Absolutely nothing is visible.
This is not going to work. I think it is time for the first hint. VA, come here. I am looking at the timer, and you are not going to make it.
It's fine, I'm making it. I'm just having fun.
Choose.
Yeah.
You have a hint.
Oh, some hints. Well, go ahead.
One is free, and the other will cost you 10,000 rubles.
10? Of course, the free one. Go ahead.
The free one? That's the wrong way.
That's a lousy hint.
You chose the free hint yourself.
Damn, whatever. Well, bye then.
I think he will change his mind in about 10 minutes.
Damn! And I wasted so much time going that way. Damn, I have wasted so much time. There's a small tree line over in that direction. Well, and maybe they actually hid something in the woods after all. We will head into the woods now and see if there is anything there. Yeah, what the hell do I need this metal detector for? It is not even connected at all. I am wondering why there has not been a single signal. Oh, come on. The main thing is Seryoja said the car is not buried, which means this thing will not be useful to me anymore. Oh, daisies, beautiful daisies.
Oh, come on. He is mocking me. What daisies? Time is ticking, VIA.
Damn, there is no flattened grass anywhere. Seryoja, come on. Fine, 10 grand, there is no time. I cannot just waste 100, so give me your second hint. For 10 grand, I am ready. There is no time. Let's go.
So, I have one more free hint. Are you choosing the 10?
Fine, 10 grand. I am out of time.
Fine. Look for purple and pink colors.
Are you stupid? What are you talking about? Did this cost 10,000 rubles?
10,000 rubles.
Take your stinking metal detector. It is broken, damn it.
He made a mistake doing that. Without it, he will not be able to start the engine.
You might as well have said for real, navigate by the stars. There. It looks like I finally found something. Although if it is just some scarlet flower again, I am going to lose it. All right, guys, let's run. There is no time. We need to check that spot faster.
He found the largest part of what we hid.
Whoa! Oh, it is a whole car. Is this some kind of joke? Hello? Oh no, wait. Well, not a whole one. Ah, now this is more like it. Holy cow. So, what's the deal? I am familiar with this machine. It is a Passat that was taken apart and cut up. Well, look, they left the automatic transmission, so the engine must be there. What is missing then? Oh, so it is front-wheel drive? Call the host. I am about to drive off like this. Yeah, they even left the keys. You hear that? Now that is some preparation. What a challenge. They have no idea who they are dealing with. I am telling you, I will just drive off like this, but, well, they pulled the battery. Honestly, I was expecting something much worse. I will just start the engine and drive off now. There is no battery and no spark plugs. Yeah, I see. What else? What else? What else? Oh, wait.
Well done, Via. You found it.
Yeah.
A part.
I see. The part is even lower than the fuel tank. I just realized that because the fuel tank was in the back of this car. So that is the catch. I will find a way to start it. Well, here is the fuel pump, and it goes somewhere. And there's probably no gas either, right? All right, everything is fine. How much time does he have left?
Very little.
I think they were probably walking around and dropping something somewhere here.
I hope he remembers to look for purple and pink colors.
Got it, there is the purple color. So, purple color.
What the fuck is that?
Host, do you have some kind of problem?
I don't have any problems.
What kind of hints are these?
What is this? This is your wheel.
What do I need this for? I need a battery, whoa. Cool, great, catch the med kit.
You found the second wheel too. Congratulations.
Yeah, I don't need them at all. I'll just drive off like this. This is exactly what I was missing today. Looking for flowers. Here is purple, there is purple. Oh well, finally something worthwhile, a battery. Half the job is done. Now I just have to figure something out with the gas and the spark plugs, and that is it. I don't need all those other wheels or any of that stuff. I'll leave just like this to earn my 100,000 rubles.
3 minutes to install the battery? You definitely won't make it.
Yeah, shut up, it is on purpose. Yeah, you picked the wrong one that does not fit here. Yeah, damn, seriously, really? They put in a dead battery, those bastards. For real? You're not joking.
Dead? One of them is dead, the other is not.
I thought you were lying to me. Damn, all right, let's move on. A chainsaw, seriously? What do I need a chainsaw for? I need spare parts. Purple flowers. Oh, there's something here. Oh, I hope it's gasoline. No, it's 10W40 oil. I need gasoline. Oh, something red next to the purple again. A dipstick. Seriously? Oh, something else is flattened here. Uh-huh. This is a mockery. This is just a mockery. These are absolutely useless parts for starting the car. Ah, there. Well, what is this? Damn, I was so happy that the engine was already in the car, but there's nothing essential to start it. What do I need this for? Well, in principle, there are no seats in the cabin. Maybe this thing will come in handy. I wish everything was lying around like this. For the first time, something worthwhile, wheel bolts. And here is the trail, let's move on. Well, for crying out loud, what is this? A moose was crossing this ford, basically, and apparently left me some gas. Oh, at least the tank is full, listen.
It is time for another hint. The spark plugs are near the gas, but you will have to find them and dig them up.
Damn, I dropped the metal detector back there in the field. Oh, I will have to go back for it. The gasoline was right here. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Just a moose track. It looks like the moose walked right over the spark plugs. Oh, that's fine. Good thing they are in plastic at least. The berry was 10 centimeters deep. I have the spark plugs, I have the gas, but what? Am I not supposed to have tools, or am I expected to screw in the spark plugs with my fingers? Can I at least have a wrench?
No, well, you are supposed to have one, of course. You just did not take it yourself. Look, it is lying right there where we started.
Damn, I will be right back.
Time is ticking, tick-tock, tick-tock.
I would like to deal with the electrics first. Ah, they have also taken apart half of the wiring here. Everything is great. We have contact. Now we screw in the spark plugs and get the gas going. They provided me with all the tools. Are you kidding me? This is easy as pie. Well, shall we check the compression now? All right. Good job, good job. But this time I checked the oil level.
I thought he would start it and immediately rush off again and seize the engine, but no, he is getting smarter.
And the biggest problem that I haven't figured out how to solve yet is how to get gas out of the fuel tank. Here is the fuel pump, the hose is disconnected from it. Well, I found this filter for a reason. This goes here, this goes here. We follow this hose, follow it, and it goes nowhere. It would be perfect to integrate the fuel tank right here, but this is washer fluid. This is fluid for the wipers. I thought it would work as a fuel tank too.
An unconventional solution. I certainly did not expect that from him.
Here is a normal fuel tank, it will do. Damn, everything is gonna spill like this. It was not for nothing that I hauled all these tools here. Oh, a perfect fit. That is it, ha ha ha. This is what I call an integrated fuel tank. Well, essentially all of this is enough to start up. Okay, Gazulia. Yeah, it is holding. Well, that is it. We can head out. Oh, wait, no. I remembered. Yes, you specifically wanted me to leave this wheel here. I definitely would not have made it out on just one, but on two, I can easily leave this territory. Oh, one fits perfectly. The second one is not ideal, but it will do. There. And it fit too. Well, in principle, it is possible on two as well. Listen, host, check the time. Ha ha ha, I still have a whole lot to spare. Bye, well that is it, ha ha, I am off. Actually, I am flooring it, but it is not moving. I get it, we are not going anywhere like this. The downforce here is too strong, the resistance is tough. Damn, what should we do? You knew, didn't you? Did you know it would be like this? Oh, no way, I am Hercules. Damn, listen, Serioja, can you give me a hand? I will drive and you will support me like this. There is an idea. We are going to build a car out of this now. Let's do it. This goes here. We are about to have a real whip, and I will attach some wheels to this ride, and then I am out. Chassis already on one side. Now I will do the same for the other.
You have 15 minutes left.
That is it, a monolith. Done. All right, I have only got minutes left. I fixed the battery along with the wiring, replaced the fuel tank with a washer reservoir, and sorted out the spark plug issues. I filled it with gas and topped off all the fluids. Basically, everything is ready. And most importantly, of course, I installed the second wheelbase that was missing. Starting up, heading out, and grabbing the 100. Let's go. Let's go. It's definitely going to work this time. Drive. Oh, we pulled away right away. Haha. Oh, we're moving. Damn.
He still has 2 minutes left and he's already moving, but he needs to pull out onto the road.
We have pulled away and we are moving quite well, actually. I am pulling out of here now and I am going to win. Forward.
I hope something of his brakes. Damn, he's probably gonna make it.
Oh, where is it going? Where? Damn. It is sliding so much, it is drifting hard.
The challenge will be complete once he reaches this road, but we have prepped some small potholes here for him, just in case something falls off, snaps, and so on.
Dennis, back off, move back. Haha, nice. Now that is what I am talking about. That is absolutely awesome. The wheel is squeaking a bit. Oh, damn. Shoot. Damn. Damn. The tire blew out, it just exploded, I got thrown to the side, and I almost flipped over. I won.
Yes, you won the challenge. Congratulations, this is your gift.
No, wait.
Guys, everyone smash that like button.
I won, and I got the 100 challenge completed. We drove that junk pile off the field and got everything done right in just an hour and a half. But here you have to admit defeat, you underestimated me.
But you made it with only 9 seconds to spare.
Neck and neck, almost neck and neck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment about which part was your favorite. And I was your host, Vyacheslav Ismailov, or VIA. I will see you all very soon. Bye.